In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a checklist to a card using automation in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tracking workflows, and collaborating with your team. One of its most powerful features is automation, which allows you to streamline repetitive tasks and save time. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of setting up a simple automation rule that adds a checklist to a card whenever it's created. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to enhance your productivity, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, open Trello in your browser and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Trello screen, look toward the top right corner. There you'll see a small lightning icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon gives you access to Trello's automation features, which are also known as Butler. After clicking the lightning icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Rules. This is where we'll create and manage our automation rules. Now, look for and click the button that says Create Automation. This is where the fun starts. You're about to design a new rule from scratch that will automatically add a checklist to a card whenever specific conditions are met. The first step in creating your automation rule is to define the trigger. The trigger is the event that tells Trello when to execute your rule. In this case, click on the option that says When a card is added. This means the rule will activate whenever a new card is added to your board. Next, let's refine the trigger by setting specific parameters. For example, you can choose to apply this rule only when a card is added to a specific list or when it's added by a specific user. If you want the rule to apply universally to all new cards, you can skip setting these parameters. But if you want more control, take a moment to define these details. Once the trigger is set, it's time to move on to the Actions section. Actions define what Trello should do when the rule is triggered. For this tutorial, we'll choose the action Add Checklist to the card. This means that as soon as a new card is added, Trello will automatically attach a checklist to it. You can customize the checklist later to suit your workflow. Finally, to save your rule and apply it to your board, look for the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and your automation rule will be finalized. From now on, anytime a new card is added, Trello will automatically include a checklist, saving you time and keeping your workflow consistent. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation rule in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.